Hi guys, Rude here. As you can see, I bought the new 2017 5K Retina display iMac, and this is my configuration. And what I did is I upgraded the memory myself. I upgraded it with 2 times 16 gigabytes, so a total is now 40 gigabytes. And originally, this is the configuration how I did it, because I changed the DIMMs in different slots. Originally, you will see in the upper side 4 gigabyte and 4 gigabyte as Apple delivers your computer, and they will be situated in the 00 slot and the 10 slot. And if you leave it that way, your computer will be almost as slow as it was before you upgraded to 40 gigabytes. It's unbelievable, but that's how it is. And you can see I changed that. I took them off and I put them in the free slots, which are these slots, the 01 DIMM and the 11 DIMM. That's where I put the 4 gigabytes. So what you will have to do, you will have to put the 16 gigabytes in the 0 DIMM and the 10 DIMM. And if you restart, then if you reboot, you will notice it will be slow. Of course, the first time it boots, it takes about 30 seconds, but that's normal if you change the DIMMs. But if you restart after that, you will notice it will be much faster than it was before. So that's one very important issue to know. It's not very well known on YouTube, I guess, because I didn't find it really soon. But it's very important. But there's another thing, like Steve would say. If you take off the back cover, like you see here in this picture, you will notice the instruction says you will have to put the short side of the notch to the right and then install the memory. This, however, is not true, strangely enough. This is the instruction that Apple has online. And number 9, that's the instruction you will have to use. In that instruction it says the 2017 model right here. And you can see they've got the same image with the notch to the right side. And this is not correct. I called Apple and the engineers confirmed that they made a mistake, as well as in the inside of the back cover as on the internet side. The notch has to be installed, the DIMM has to be installed with the notch to the left side, the short side to the left. So please be careful and don't damage your DIMM memory or your slots in the computer. So install it to the left side. The short side has to be to the left. Okay, that's it. Rude signing off. Bye bye.